Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about toxic relatives. Okay, so if you feel you have a toxic relatives in your life, it's essential to distance yourself from them for your own well-being. Their negativity can significantly impact your mental health and strain your other relationships. Toxic relatives. Cutting off toxic relatives is crucial because their behavior can have a profound impact on your mental health. Toxic relatives may display jealousy or resentment towards your achievement in extreme cases. Completely cutting off all contact with such relatives may be necessary. We all experience a mix of love and frustration with our families. And we know you can relate. There are moments when we want to shower our loved ones with affection, yet the same people can something drive us to the brink of pulling our hair out in frustration. However, there are certain relatives who bring toxicity into our lives, and it's crucial to maintain distance from them. In the Indian family setup, loyalty and maintaining relationships are deeply valued, often regardless of the treatment one receives. However, the younger generation increasingly challenge this nation, driven by a growing awareness of mental health and personal well-being. They recognize that enduring toxic behavior is detrimental and choose self-preservation over traditional obligations. Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Gurugram-based psychiatrist and co-founder of Immoneeds, a mental health startup, tells India Today. Agreeing with this, Dr. Kriti Anand, consultant psychiatry, Paras Health, Panchkula, adds that financial and social independence also allows the younger generation to make decisions that prioritize their well-being. Moreover, global exposure to cultures that respect personal boundaries influences the younger generation to adopt similar practices, fostering a more individualistic and self-care oriented mindset. Why is it important to cut off toxic relatives? Cutting off toxic relatives is crucial because their manipulative behavior, including gaslighting, selecting support, and emotional manipulation, can have a profound impact on your mental health, self confidence, and overall well being, said Dr. Sukriti Rex, lead psychologist and researchers at Evolve Health Tech startup. She adds that by setting boundaries and removing these individuals from life, the constant stress and anxiety caused by toxic relationships are elevated. Self confidence is restored through prioritizing your own needs, and emotional energy is redirected towards more positive and fulfilling connections. Getting rid of toxic relatives is very important. Additionally, this step can facilitate healing from emotional abuse and trauma, allowing you to prioritize your health and happiness over tolerating unacceptable behavior. Know the sign. Identifying a toxic relative involves recognizing specific behavior and patterns that negatively impact your well-being. Sex expert. Key signs of toxic behavior include manipulation, where they frequently guilt trip you to get their way, and a lack of support, where they consistently belittle or criticize you. Toxic relatives often exhibit self centeredness, showing little empathy for feelings and unreliability, breaking promises or commitment. They may also display jealousy or resentment towards your achievement, try to control your life decisions, and generally exclude negative energy that leaves you feeling drained and worse about yourself after interactions. The doctor adds that apart from affecting your mental health, toxic relatives can spoil other relationships by spreading negativity and creating conflict within your social circle. Their behavior can affect your outlook and interactions with others, making it difficult to maintain positive relationships. Toxic relatives may also isolate you from other supportive relationships, undermining your support network. Their action can create mistrust and conflict within the family or amongst friends, Further, training your social connections, the ripple effect of their toxicity can undermine your ability to trust and engage with others, leading to a broader impact on your social and emotional well being. Let's talk about how to get rid of them. Recognize and accept that the relationship is toxic and detrimental to your well being. Clearly define what behaviors you will no longer tolerate and communicate these boundaries directly and assertively. Reduce interactions gradually, avoid unnecessary communication, and meet up only when absolutely necessary. Discuss your decision with trusted friends or a mental health professional. They can provide emotional support and practical advice. Toxic individuals may resist or try to manipulate you into maintaining the relationships. So stay resolute in your decision, engage in activity that promote your mental and emotional well-being. This will help you recover from the negative effect of a toxic relationship. In extreme cases, completely cutting off all contact may be necessary. This includes blocking phones, numbers, social media account, and avoiding mutual gathering. Don't forget when dealing with toxic relatives, it's crucial prioritize your own well-being and not internalizing their behavior. Seeking support from trusted friends, a therapist, or support group can provide a much needed outlet and validate your experience, says Dr. X. It's important not to engage with their toxic patterns or attempt to reason with them, as this can perpetuate the cycle. Maintaining perspective by reminding yourself that their behavior reflect their own issues and not your worth. The essential is essential. Remember that practice self-compassion and commitment to personal growth and healing are key when navigating these challenging relationships. Cutting off toxic relatives is a difficult but crucial process for mental health and overall happiness. Approach it with determination and support to create a healthier environment for yourself. While it's common to feel guilty or doubt your decision, remind yourself that protecting your well being is a legitimate and necessary step for yourself. So don't hesitate to cut